So we're getting ready to buy a condo right in the Virginia Beach area, right? But the real kicker to this one is we're going to be buying it subject to. Well, what does that mean? This means we're going to step in and take over the homeowner's payments. My favorite way to buy. So in this video, we're going to go over all the numbers on the property, the renovation, purchase price, ARV, and I'm going to actually take you to the property so you can see the condition and the condo association that it's in. So you can see what kind of properties perhaps you could buy for your next flip. All right, let's do it. Okay, class, it's Kris Haskins with therealestateroundup.com. My mission and ministry is to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. In doing that, I want to bring you in, document what we're doing so you can possibly apply it to your life to get your next investment piece of real estate. So today, why am I making this video? Because some people are scared to buy condos, townhouses, attached homes, and I want to tell you, I love them. I've made a ton of money in them and I'm still doing it. So I don't want you to be scared, but you do have to know the numbers before you get into this stuff. Don't just go in blindly. Oh, what are we doing? What's the HOA? What's the monthly payment? How about the neighbors? Condition of the exterior? All that stuff you got to know. That's how you lose when you're not informed in real estate, okay? So how are we buying this house? And why is it so important you understand subject to? Well, let's get our Barron's book here. You've got to learn subject to. This is one of the most beast moves that I've ever seen in real estate. We actually step in, take over the homeowner's payments. They sell us or deed us the property. We just continue to make those payments, period. Loan stays in their name. So we buy this property, no credit. We don't have to have any, we don't turn any tax returns, no bank application, not even an appraisal. Subject to is my favorite way to buy. But what is subject to? So let's bring out our Barron's book just to see what definition of subject to is right here. Subject to, oh my goodness. It's the circumstance in which a buyer takes title to a mortgaged piece of real property, but is not personally liable for the payment of the amount due. The buyer must make the payments in order to keep the property. However, with default, only the buyer's equity in that property is lost. This is not an assumption. Oh my goodness, roundup. I guess it could be considered a non-qualifying assumption, right? But we're not assuming anything. Our credit does not go on this loan, all right? So subject to, and what I've done is there's a link in the video description. I'm going to give you, because I love you, one of my Ninja Negotiating 11 audio training series to show you how to actually walk a homeowner or seller down to a subject to deal, because you can't just go right in and say, Miss Smith, I'm going to buy your house subject to. Doesn't work like that. You cannot use those words. So I made this training module for you so you can negotiate a subject to on your own in your market today. Okay, so this is going to be a property flip. My exit strategy is this, in this one is to buy it, fix it up and sell it. And the subject to deal is all we're going to do is take over the payment. So the purchase price is $55,000. So our wonderful seller, man, wonderful lady to work with in Maryland. How you doing if you watch this video? Purchase price $55,000. We actually didn't fund any money at closing because we're going to give her some of the money on the back end, which is cool. I didn't mind doing that. So purchase price, she owes $55,000. Let me add that. So the purchase price is $55,000 and she owes $55,000. I didn't put that down. I needed to remember that one. And the mortgage balance is mortgage is $55,000 too. So the purchase price and the mortgage, both the same. They're both $55,000, right? The rental on this one is going to be $15,000. The monthly payment is $500 a month, and that includes taxes and insurance. But a little stinger here is HOA. Homeowners Association is $275 a month. So our total out of pocket every month is $775. And the ARV on this one is $115,000 now. And what I'm going to do, this is before we buy it, and I'll do another video when it's done. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can see what it looks like when we get done with it. Now the ARV is 115. So how this works in real estate is you take ARV, and the ARV is the after repair value. That's what it's worth after we fix it up. So take your ARV, 115, back out purchase price of $55, back out your reno, and that's going to give our gross profit of 45,000. Gross profit. Remember, those stupid HGTV punk shows, I can't stand them. They never put in holding cost, closing costs, and realtor fees. They never put it in. So when you see those HGTV shows at 45,000, we're making all this money. You still got to pay closing costs to buy it and sell it. You still got to pay holding costs, which is going to be $500 a month plus HOA and whatever stuff comes up, electricity, just maintenance, whatever. And realtor fees. You have to pay realtor fees when you sell it. And oh my Lord, it's not realtor, it's realtor. So listen, coming this Memorial Day is going to be real estate investing foundations. I am so excited to bring this to you. If you're just the type of person like I was in 2004, you had no idea where to start. Whether you're going to do fix and flip, buy and hold, Section 8, are you going to do short sales where you're thinking of doing subject to like this, lease option, multifamily, land deals. Real estate investing foundations is going to walk you step by step over 15 different proven ways to get started in real estate investing, and it's all coming to you in one training module I've taken time out of my life to do this Memorial Day weekend. So make sure you're signed up to our email list in the video description below so you don't miss the early release, because I'm going to be giving away a lot of goodies to all of my roundup homies that joins us and get started with real estate investing foundations. It's my honor to hang out with two of the big dogs, Dave and Dan Barrero. They contributed to this training course, as well as Mike Fritz helping us with multifamily investing. So make sure you're on our email list. You don't want to miss this release. The Real Estate Investing Foundations showing you different strategies how you can get started. Okay, so our gross profit on this one is 45,000. Let's go out to the property to see. Don't forget, we got to minus all this stuff. This could be five. Let's say all that's maybe 6,000, because I plan on holding this one maybe 2 months. Let's get out to the property so you can see what it looks like. We're going to walk through it, and you also get to meet my daughters. They're running camera, and it was crazy because as we going into this one, it was locked. The seller lived out of town. We had to hire a locksmith to get inside. All right. So take a second and subscribe to the channel, Roundup homies. Like this content, if you're understanding these numbers, right? And share with anybody else that you think needs to get started in real estate investing. This is a crucial step. Subject to and creative financing is how I built my empire today. Forget the banks. You do not have to worry about banks to build your real estate empire if you know what you're doing. Let's get to this house. Okay, so you saw all the numbers breakdown and all that stuff. So let's take a look at the area and then go inside of the property. Taylor, thank you for working with us. I got Taylor with me today. What up, homie? Hi. And Morgan in the back seat. Morgan?
Hello.
All right, so let's give him show him the area there, Taylor. You can bring the screen down. This seems to be a very nice area we got here going on here. Very nice, extremely nice. People speeding by. I don't know why you got to speed in this beautiful part of town, but it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We got some multi-families on the right over there, attached units on the right. And you can see as we're pulling up, we got some new cons on the right here too. Attached townhouses here. Got a dog being walked over there. There we go, Taylor. We're coming up here on the left. This is our complex here on the left here. Looks extremely nice. I really like it actually. This has a lot of potential. No foot traffic, no convenience stores on the street, and this is close to the town center part of Virginia Beach, so I like it. Look what we got here over the left, Taylor. This looks cool. This is our complex here on the left here. You got it here? Here, right here. Oh, you got it? Okay. We're coming in, let's see. So our first one looks like we're going to be the first one on the left here. That looks like Ron straight ahead. This is our complex here. Can you give them a sharp left? There you go. Looks like this is our complex here, and we are right on the right, back in the corner here. Might have to hang it out a little bit because we're getting a lot of the car there, buddy. Hanging out the window like that. There you go, buddy. Buddy. Taylor is learning how to be a good camera woman. So we're just getting here. The units, I like the way they've been maintained. The HOA here is a little high, but looks like people take care of it. The landscaping is nice. Look at this, Taylor. So the locksmith is here. You see the landscape going out. The locksmith is here to let us in, so let's see what they say. Come on back. So got the locksmith here handling business, getting us inside. Okay, so we're just getting inside. The locksmith just let us in, so let's take a look around and see what needs to be done here. First thing off the top, the flooring is kind of old. Morgan, what do you think about this floor? Oh man, is that a worm? Worm chilling. He must have snuck under the door. So this flooring got to be redone, which is not really that bad. It looks like something's going on here too. It's actually a nice place. You see this little debris down here? This little dust? Something's going on with some moisture damage or maybe some bugs. This door needs a door handle. Not bad. Let's see if the door rolls. I don't know if it'll roll or not. Oh boy. Okay, it will roll. The door will roll. Got a little storage closet here. No room for anything. The window doesn't look bad here. Man, nobody been here in a while probably. So here's your little deck. Probably put a nice grill out here. I like it quiet. We sure could have walked right in. I like the fact that it's quiet. The central heating and airs aren't like right here. See over there how the heat pumps are on the side? I like that. Just keeps it quiet around here. Morgan, what are you doing? So we got a kitchen here. I'm a little concerned about, you can stay over there for a minute, Taylor. The owner told me that they took the cabinets down here. So we only have we got 1, 2, 3, 4 wall cabinets and 1, 2, 3, 4 base cabinets. So we have, Morgan, get her. Did you see that mess? What you doing? Lord have mercy. Not a lot of cabinets, so we might have to install some up here, but I'll let Ron take a look at that. So you want to take a look in here, Taylor, to look around? So you could put a hot washer and dryer right here. Pretty good shape. This flooring probably needs to be redone. And if you want to sell it, get a nice dollar amount, turn around, we're going to need new appliances. Not too bad. But this thing, you see this down here? This refrigerator is rusting out. It's at the end of its lifetime. It's at the end. This is old. These cabinets are the Lowe's special. They are, the only thing that's wood in these cabinets are the faces. You see this stuff here is not even wood, it's particle board. This is particle board. Okay, so this kitchen feels a little tight. I'll have to figure out a way to maybe get some more cabinet space out of here, you know? What do you think, Till?
Yeah.
Not a lot of cabinet space. So there's one thing I just noticed here. Let's see what's in here. Oh my damn. So this is gonna have to be repaired. This whole wood here is falling in, and an inspector is not gonna let that go. So we got the hot water heater here. This is your air handler for your central heating and air.
Tape.
Yeah. Where do you see tape at, Morgan? This?
Tape.
Oh yeah, well tape is okay to hold that together, but this is gonna have to get addressed. It's gonna have to.
That is scary.
Yeah, that's nasty, man.
What's that?
Oh, that's nasty, huh? This just laminate goes over top. Nasty. Carpet's good in here. Oh, we got a bathroom here. I think this is 2 bathrooms. So floor's a little spongy. We probably replace these floors. We can clean this up real good. It's gonna need a new mirror. These mirrors are done. And the tub, we can probably refinish this, call it a day. And this needs to be a new toilet. That thing is nasty. We can refinish that. Looks like it's already been refinished once. See right here? We might be able to keep this one, but I'll let Ron see that. What's up?
It's like a little hill.
Yeah, the floor, something going on here. They probably had some moisture damage here. Some type of moisture going. Bugs everywhere. Yeah, that toilet's nasty. Oh man. This is a nice long closet here. Upsell. Oh, thank you. Thank you. This closet is as big as my first bedroom. So this is bedroom 1. Let's take a look at bedroom 2. Watch out for that bug. So you notice that there are no lights in the ceiling. Remember, what does that mean, Taylor?
The light switches go to the outlets.
Light switches go to the outlets. You're absolutely right. So when you cut it on, this switch is tied to this. It's just something they did in the 80s to cut down on costs. I don't know why they did that mess. I don't like it. So the fan works in here. So we got another full bathroom.
Toilet.
Nasty toilet. Tub can probably, let me see. I'm not gonna mess with it, but those things might be able to come off. I don't know. But you're gonna need a new mirror here. This mirror is done.
You're tall, Daddy.
New toilet. Yeah, I am
Ceiling.
tall. I like it up tall. Yeah, this is low ceilings. In the 80s, they built them with low ceilings. I don't know why. So this place is actually in pretty good shape. Carpet is really in really good shape, actually. We got another.
Walk-in closet.
Does it walk in? What do you think?
This is as big as your friend's bedroom.
I know it is. So we shall see. All right. So I kind of like it. What do you think, Morgan? Taylor, you could live here. It'd be like one of your first places. All right.
No, you don't like it.
So stay tuned, Roundup homies, to see how this one unfolds. Am I going to be able to sell it for $115? I don't know. More, less, who knows? Is the rental going to go over? Sometimes it does. Is our holding cost? Are we going to have to hold it for longer? You just never know. So once we get done with all this, how you go into a property can be miles away from how you get out of it. I can't tell you. Sometimes I've been into houses, I've had to hold them for 14 months. You just don't know. And condos, they're not all bad. All right. You just got to know what the HO is. Subscribe, like, share. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.